Good afternoon, class. Hey, thank you so much for coming to the class. Uh, I'm going to talk about your career roadmap in IT based on the training classes we teach at TechNet Geeks. So let's start. I think people who come to us, they have several challenges they run into, and I just want to share it with you to make sure that you're aware of them. Maybe some of them you're running into as well. Challenge number one, a lot of people run into is they come in saying, I do not know where to start. Some say, I went to college, have a degree, but they did not tell me or guarantee me a job after I finish. Some took courses in the past, some even have certifications, but it is not helping them get a job. Some people say courses are too expensive, and getting into the job market is very expensive. I need a partner to show me how to go about doing it. Some come in saying that we have a degree from a foreign country, but I do not know how to apply for a job here, or how to market myself. Well, my friends, you came to the right place to help you. Let me actually just start with basic offerings that we have in the courses and see how it applies to you and how it can help you get your career started in IT. Well, the first course we start with, I recommend a lot of people to take, which gives them an understanding and the basis of how some of the work is done. I kind of break it down into manual testing, where you understand how some of the work is done, and the 4 weeks course costs $500 and breaks it down for you. If you have classes on Saturday and Sunday, 2 hours each, with some exercises, you get a good understanding on what the work is. It's mostly on the manual testing side. Later on, we can take you into automation testing class, which we'll teach you with the JavaScripts, Selenium, TestNG, and some of the other areas. You'll work on learning how to code using Java in Selenium environment. And you'll work on some projects by yourself, some in teams, and you'll learn how to do the work. Most people who finish the course usually have a salary of about 85,000 or so start. You can also move on to the business analyst area. Most people who bring in skill set from different areas, for example, mortgage, financials, web marketing, or have few years of experience in that area, they can take the manual testing and kind of move into the business analyst course, which is also roughly about 8 weeks. And we have compressed this course into less time, but the cost is roughly about $1,000, where you get coaching and learning how to do a business analyst type job. Most people in that area makes roughly about 85,000 starting, and they kind of go up from there depending on your experience. If you want to stay on the technical side of the house, after automation, we actually have API testing class for 4 weeks. Most people finishing end up making a salary of about 105,000 or so as starting. And if you want to stay on this area, you can become a software developer. And most people in that range finishing up make about 125,000 or so. However, if you want to stay on the business side, where you're communicating and coordinating between the customer and the technical team and delivering on the product, you can move on to project management professional certification, which is called PMP. It costs $500 and finish the course up in about 5 weeks. And we guarantee that you're going to pass your certification exam. If you don't, you can come in and repeat the class for no extra cost. And most people with the PMP certification range in salary anywhere from 110 to 185,000 a year. Okay. Now, if you're already in the field working in different areas like system administration, Windows administration, or have networking experience, and the market is changing towards cloud engineering, we have a course for you as well. We have a course which is called AWS combined with Python. Roughly is an 8-week course, which kind of helps you gear you and prepare you for the AWS and cloud market. And most people with that skill set are earning around 140,000 a year. So if you want to stay on the track, move towards management, and this is a roadmap that'll take you there with TechNet Geeks. Now, what makes us unique and what makes us better? Let me talk about that. We have an approach that we use, which is 6-phase. We teach you a lecture in the class or on the video. We give you hands-on exercises. We give you reading material. We give you videos. All the classes are recorded. You can go back and see that. We also give you unique videos to enhance your skill set in each different subject matter. We also give you quizzes, and we also give you interview questions and answers. So with this phase approach, you're comfortable that you will learn the material by repeating it many different ways. Not only that, we also give you an option. Let's say if you finish the course and you need help in job placement, we have that as well. We have an interview workshop. We have professional resume makers who will make the resume. We also help you with job placement assistance. We market you in the job market to all the jobs that you see. We also have, let's say if you get the job, you need help. We offer you assistance for first 3 months to make sure you understand the job, make sure you can sustain the job, make sure you can stay at the job. So this is an option we have, and roughly the cost for this one is roughly what people pay for sales tax when they buy something at a grocery store. So, but this is an option for you. And you can leverage this option to solidify your career and security for jobs. Well, let's find out how many jobs we have in the market right now. So if you look for software testing jobs in Washington, D.C. area, you'll find over 10,000 jobs and over 1,800 for business analyst, AWS over 7,800. Here's a snippet. For June 5th, 2021, you'll have here's an example on the right side from Indeed, one of the job markets, shows you that you have over 10,000 jobs in Washington, D.C. area. They're looking for software testing skills. And they're looking for skills like Agile, Jenkins, Java, Selenium, and they'll pay you anywhere from 70 to 90,000. And roughly, it's a full-time job. And this skill set we teach you in class, and it's paid in the market well. On business analyst side, you can see the salary range anywhere from 65 to 130,000 a year. And if you look for project management, people are paying you up to $100 an hour with this skill set. Now, my friends, are you ready to start your career in this IT industry? Are you going to become a partner with us to get you going, to get you into a much better job? Well, this is the next step. Make a commitment to yourself that you want to take the class. Go to the website and register yourself, and I'll help you get started, get your career going, so you can have a much brighter future. Let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing you in my class real soon. Thank you.